Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Jeremy,
And Cheryl.
and we are with JNS Adventures. We're here in former Cruise Terminal 2, and it's empty. It looks weird to see it like this.
Yes.
But yeah, they're having an open house out here, and we're excited to see what's going on with all of the latest things that are happening here at the Port of Galveston. And come along with us.
Well, Jeremy has taken a video of everything going on, and I took a picture with the chief of police, and he wants to follow us, so we're going to email him our information. We also signed in under Cruising is Fun Anytime and JNS
Adventures.
And there was a lot of people down there, and it was just a lot going on, you know.
Yeah, it was a little open house setting, with 2 rows of tables and, presenters at each table letting us know what was going on down there. The one that they focused on the most was the green technology that they have down there. Is a green port, and also the internal roadway that's being constructed as we speak. By the end of 2024, they want to connect the 2 areas, the Carnival Cruise Terminals with the Royal Cruise Terminal with the internal roadway. And we know that it's going to cut down on a lot of congestion in Galveston. So we're super excited about that. But one future plan that they're working on, they're trying to work the kinks out right now, is having one roadway that leads all the way from 45 over to the cruise terminals. So yeah, because we know that Harborside gets real backed up and busy on cruise day, so we're excited about that. All these great things that are going down there at the port.
And we got some goodies. We got 2
they give us swag bags. This is kind of cool. It's got Galveston Wharves on it.
So, chat with Sea Journeys. I didn't have any noisemakers, but guess what? Wait.
I mean, these are kind of,
There we go.
But yeah, they're Galveston Wharves cruise ducks. I thought this was kind of cool. And then we got some sunglasses, a pen, and some sanitizer.
Yes.
All
Port
with
of Galveston pen.
Yeah. So we got some little
Sanitizer.
some swag. I thought that was kind of cool.
Yes, I'm gonna give mine to one of the kids.
But yeah, thank you for watching. It wasn't what was expected, but it was definitely very informational.
It was.
I'm putting together this video so y'all could see the amazing things that are going down over here in Galveston.
And we'll see you in the morning.
Yes. Bye, guys.